So for Valentine's Day this year, I got my wife a Make It Mine box, and she's about to open it. A Make It Mine box is a box that comes and it has some kind of cube inside of it. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside.
Wow, your day just got a whole lot better.
Wow.
I guess I should read this first.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Oh, wait. What is that?
Look, wait, let's see. First this says, stop trying to guess what I am and pull the tab.
What?
See?
Confetti.
Look at that! These are so cute! I love these! So cute! Em, look! Look at these pictures I have!
Pumpkin. Let's open them up.
Look at this
No, wait,
one.
Porter, it doesn't open up.
It doesn't open. It's like you sit it. You can sit it somewhere and look at the cute pictures. Look at this one in the bathtub. Aw, these are so cute.
I like confetti. Stop! Confetti, I like confetti.
That is so cute. What you got? Let me see it, Emmy.
Stop. Stop. Wait.
We're gonna have to do this again. It's chapstick. Looks like you put it in the bath. Oh, and I got a cute little clip for my hair.
Hey, look, candy.
I
Yep.
love it.
I'll eat it.
Okay.
Sure. I got some tea.
Oh, no candy.
You like that candy?
Yeah, no candy.
Sure, you can have a piece. Thank you.
Chocolate
Is it
ball.
chocolate ball? Do you want this chocolate ball?
Look, and a chocolate ball.
You got this
Mm.
and a little mess. Ooh.
What is in your mouth, Emmett?
pretty.
Oh, look.
Smell it. Like that?
More candy?
A bath bomb.
More candy? Are you sure?
More candy.
Oh, so cute.
A chocolate spike. Spike the hedgehog. Spike the hedgehog. Look, Daddy. Spike the
It looks like
hedgehog.
Spike the Hedgehog, doesn't it?
You're eating so much candy. Look, Mama, he's ate another one.
So good. Look here, doesn't it?
This is the jump part one. This is the shell one. This is the tractor one. This is the quarter one. This is here. And then and that's the birthday one.